Hello, this is Adam with Laguna Tools, and today we're going to be troubleshooting the 14BX bandsaw.
Alright, so say your wheel isn't moving up and down when you're trying to put your blade on. What you want to do to troubleshoot this is open up the cabinet. Behind the upper flywheel you'll see two horizontal chrome bolts. A lot of times these are too tight. They're 17 millimeter. What you have to do is loosen those two bolts and your upper wheel will move up and down freely. To adjust your wheel, here are the two horizontal bolts I was talking about. These are lock nuts, so you'll need a 17 millimeter wrench on this side and a 17 millimeter wrench on this side. To loosen it, you'll need to go counterclockwise with both of them on the top and the bottom.
When setting up your bandsaw, you want to make sure that your blade is centered on your wheel, so this is how we're going to troubleshoot it. So if your bandsaw looks something like this when you put it on, we'll have to do some adjustments, and all those adjustments will be on the back of the bandsaw. So if your blade is popping off the front of your bandsaw, what you want to do is adjust back here. You drop the tension, and we're going to do a small turn clockwise. Then you throw the tension back up, and you're going to give it a couple spins around the wheel to center it, and it should bring it back towards the center of the wheel. So if the blade is popping off the back of your bandsaw wheel, what you want to do is go counterclockwise here, and it's the same steps. You drop the tension, go counterclockwise, throw the tension back up, and give it a spin. So if your bandsaw blade is popping off the front of the bottom wheel, there's some more adjustments on the back of the bandsaw. So if your bandsaw blade is popping off the front of your bottom wheel, the adjustments will be down here. We're going to be looking at the 6 o'clock bolt. There's a chrome and a black hex bolt. The chrome bolt is a locking bolt, and the black bolt will be your adjustment. So you'll want to loosen this one and do a slight adjustment to the black bolt, and then tighten it all back down. All right, for talking about tensioning, we're going to take a look at the scale first in the upper cabinet. This is only a magnet, so we want to ignore it for now, and we'll take a look at the blade and we'll come back to it. So before any of the tensioning goes on over here, we got to make sure that this tensioning arm is all the way up. Once that's up, then we can focus on this bottom wheel. The blade is only supposed to flex about 1/4 inch. So if you push on it with your finger and it touches the back of the wall, it's not tight enough. So we're going to tension it with the lower flywheel, and you spin it clockwise, and that goes up and up, and now it flexes about 1/4 inch. So this is a magnet here. Once you get your blade tension, you can adjust this so it references 3/4 inch or whatever your blade is. All right, and that concludes our video on the 14BX. If you guys got any more questions or want to watch more tutorial videos, check out our website, lagunatools.com. Thank you.